We almost turned around like 3 or 4 times. Definitely not an easy hike if you're not in shape, but also it's a little bit of a satisfying hike too because of the views. Yeah, like, check out this one. So we're here in the Pacific Explorer and we stop at places like Port Vila, Mystery Island, Noumea. And I've made videos of all these places in the past, and I'll still make some more coming up in the future, but this trip I wanted to highlight Isle of Pines. And although this place has some of the best beaches, I'll be coming back here and showing those off very soon. Because today we are taking a hike up there. But first, we have to tender off the ship to the land. This is a beautiful part of New Caledonia, Isle of Pines. Yeah, there's a lot of pine trees here. And yeah, the weather wasn't the best, but it also might make it not so hot climbing up to the top of Picniga. This is actually not as easy as you might think. Just a path carved out by running water and other hikers throughout the years. Out of breath. And this is where it gets really, really, really hard. Not even close to the top yet, but the hard part's over, I think. And as you get closer to the top, you start to see the views and you stop complaining about how tired you are. Guys, made it to the top. Yeah.
Barely. What we got there?
Let's try that again. So we're up here at the top. Look how far the ship is. We gotta go all the way back there. We have to go back down now, and I really don't want to. Because it's beautiful up here, but also because we don't want to walk anymore. So we hiked back down and made our way to the ship. All in all, it took us about 2.5 hours. That extra half hour is because I got us lost at the beginning. Don't worry about it. All right, we're gonna head back to the ship, get on this tender. We are tired, sweaty, wet, sandy. Yeah, you know what? I deserve a burger. I'm gonna get a burger. Oh my gosh, I deserve this so much, and I'm so excited to eat this thing. But you know what? You can watch this part of it on a different vlog coming out very soon, so I gotta get, yeah. Have a good day. Plenty more videos coming soon, so thanks for being a part of this channel. All right, we're on the right path. Just remember this when you're going to the top.
Go the right way.
Turn left, not right. But,
always have a drone handy to help you out.
Yes, we flew the drone up. We flew the drone up literally to find what the path was, so that works. That's one way to use a drone.
We called in air support.
If you enjoy this stuff, click that subscribe button. And then click that little bell next to it and you could be notified for my next video. Also, you could check out this other video from another Pacific Island port.